Hey guys, so we are going to move into statistics and probability. First thing we're going to cover are some things that might be review for you, but nonetheless we're going to cover them. We're going to be talking about mean, median, mode, range, dot plot, stuff like that this time around. So your objectives for today, students will be able to represent data with plots on the real number line. The vocab, just mentioned that, mean, median, mode, range, and set. Let's look at the different types of, these are also known as different types of averages. So mean, median, mode, and in short, the mean is your average, the median is going to be the middle, and the mode is the most frequent value that occurs. So let's take a look at range. Range is the difference between the largest value and the smallest value in the set. And a set is just a collection of data or numbers. And the dot plot, we're gonna do that today. We're gonna do that as well today. Dot plots are just a way to represent data in a nice orderly fashion. So let's take a look at the first example. We've got find mean, median, so mean, median, and mode and range, and create a dot plot. So first thing you're going to want to do with your set is you're going to want to put them in order from smallest to largest. So I'm going to put these from smallest to largest, and I already did these. So I'm going to write these out real quick. So from smallest to largest. All right, so from smallest to largest is what we got. So the mean is going to be add all your numbers up and divide by the total amount of numbers you have. So we're going to add all these up and we're going to divide by, let's see how many numbers we have. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to divide by 9 numbers, or divide by 9. So when I added all this up, I got 135. So I'm going to write 135. And then I'm going to divide that by 9. So 135 I got by adding all these up, and 9 because there's 9 numbers. And when I did this, 135 divided by 9 gives me 15. So that's the 15 is that's the mean. Let's do the median. Median is just going to be the middle number. So we're going to go like this. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like it's 5, or sorry, the spot 5, but it's 14 is the median. So median is your middle number. Which is 14. Mode is going to be the most frequent number. So it looks like 13 is the one that appears the most. So mode is most frequent at 13. And the range is just going to be your biggest minus your smallest. So this would be 21 minus 13, which gives you 8. All right, and then I just want us to create a dot plot. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21. Yep. All right, and how many 13s do we have? We've got 4 of those. So I'm gonna put, there we go. I'll put 4 of those dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You might also see X's instead of dots, either way. How many 14s we have? We have 2 14s. So 1, 2. We've got 1 16, 1 18, and 1 21. And that's your dot plot. So that's the first example. Let's take a look at the second example. A little bit smaller of a set. Let's find the mean. Let's find the mean. So I'll have to add up 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7, and I'm going to divide by 4. When you do this, you should get 1 and 2 is 3, and 4 is 7, so you get 14 divided by 4, which is 3.5. That's the mean. The median, there's no middle number, but what we're gonna do is if there's no middle number, you're gonna take the average of those two middle numbers. So we'll wanna do 2 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 6 over 2, which is 3. So 3 is your median. The mode is the most frequent number, but we don't have a mode. So we're just gonna say no mode present. The last one, range. The range. The biggest minus the smallest. So 7 minus 1 is 6. There you go. And our dot plot. Let's do the dot plot. Let's do... Oh, there's a bug flying around me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We only have one of each, so let's do x's this time. So put an x here, put an x here, x here, and x there. I know it's a sorry looking dot plot, but it is a dot plot. All right, in the third example, find mean, median, mode of range and range, and then create a dot plot. So these are already in order for us, which is nice. So let's do the mean. So add them all up. And when I added them all up, I got 105. And how many numbers are there? Well, we've got 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. We got 10 numbers. So I will divide this by 10. And when you divide that by 10, you get 10.5. That is your mean. Let's do our median next. So median is going to be the middle number. So again, I like to use your fingers and I just work my way in. And again, we've got two numbers for the median, so we have to take the average of those. So we'll do 10 plus 11 divided by 2, which is 10.5 again. Or if you know what's in between 10 and 11, and you know that in between 10 and 11 is 10 and a half, then you can just go ahead and write 10 and a half too. And the mode, the most frequent, looks like, well, we got two of them. We've got 10 and 11. All right, and then the last one, the range. Biggest minus smallest, so 13 minus 8 is 5. That's your range. All right, let's create a dot plot. And let's use orange. Let's see, how many 8s we got? 1, 8. We got 1, 9. 10s, we've got 3. 11s, we have 3. 12s, we've got 1. And 13, we've got 1. There you go. That is your dot plot. If you guys have any questions on that, message me, let me know, and we'll see you in the next video.